Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are doing fine. Let us start the class. Today I am going to teach Geography. Chapter 2 Globe, the Earth Model. Introduction. Since ancient times, people have been using different ways and methods to determine the location of a place on the Earth's surface. Scientific investigations have clearly shown how various reference points and imaginary lines on the Earth surface can be useful for this purpose. Let us more about such reference points. First one, globe. As you know, globe already you studied class 5 4 also. What is a globe? A globe is like a tiny image of our planet that tries to represent every features on the earth. It is the closest representations of the earth. Globes are available in different sizes and materials. The globe shows physical features like the oceans, the seas, continents, countries, etc. A globe is useful in many ways. Let us see uses of globe. It helps in understanding how days and nights are caused. We can actually rotate the globe to feel the movement of the earth. It helps in understanding how seasons change over a year. The poles of the globe are also a little tilt in the same manner as those of the earth. This slight tilt causes the changes of the seasons which we experience in summer, winter, autumn, spring, monsoon, etc. A globe shows the physical features of the earth such as oceans, mountains, A globe is also helpful in determining the distance between the two places. It shows the directions, relative sizes, and shapes of the oceans, continents, islands, and seas. Next, location. Every place on earth has two types of location. One is relative location, another one is absolute location. Location refers to the place or position that something occupies in space or on earth. It may be absolute or relative. Every place has a location, which we sometimes understand in relation to the location of other places. For instance, in order to describe the location of your classroom, you may say that it is next to the staff room. Here, the location of the place that we originally referred to is called relative location. Next, every place, absolute location, every place on earth has a unique and definite location, be it a city, a house, or a shop. Each one of these places has an address of its own. This is called the absolute location. How do we determine the absolute location of a place? Geographers and cartographers use a geographic grid system with the help of which the location of any place. How do we find absolute location of a place? You must have noticed lines crisscrossing a globe or a map. Already you studied crisscross. These are the lines of latitudes and longitudes. They form the grid system called graticule. So the absolute location of a place would be mentioned as a latitude number followed by the longitude number. For example, the absolute location of Mumbai on the globe is 18 degree north latitude and 72 degree east longitude. That's all for today class. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.